Today I'm going to show you guys how to pop out your SIM and SD card from T-Mobile's new RevvlRy Plus. Now the first thing you're going to need is one of these SIM tools, and you're going to want to find the slot where the SIM card is on this phone. In this case, it'll be right here at the top. You'll see because there's a little plate with a little hole where we're going to use the SIM tool in order to pop this open. Now you're going to take this SIM tool and you're going to want to just that little hole there, you're going to want to put the SIM tool inside of it and you're going to push in on it. And when you push, it's actually going to pop out the plate. We're just going to remove this, and there you go. Right here is where you could put the SIM card and the SD card. It looks like maybe there's a version of the phone where you could have dual SIM cards. I'm not sure, but it's covered up in this case. But here is where you're going to put the SD card and the SIM card for your service. Now we're just going to pop that right back in there. Once the SIM card and the SD are on these plates, you just pop that right back in, close it up, and then you have it. That's it. Now you have your SD and your SIM card inside of the phone.